Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you some looks using my Jaclyn Hill palette. This is actually the first time I'm ever using this palette, so I really hope you enjoy this video. And I'm going to be starting off with a fresh base. I didn't set my concealer down at all. I've just really been loving this lately. Then to start off, I'm going to go in with Silk Cream or Silk Creme, not too sure. This, I just wanted just a little bit of color through the crease. It was blended up pretty high, but obviously it's not a very complementary color to my skin tone because you can't see it very well. So then I went in with Pukey. I think it's called Pukey. It might be called Pucky. I'm not too sure. And then this was like my initial transition color. It was really nice and pigmented and super creamy. Also keeping in mind that I have not set my base, so if they do come off a little bit patchy, that's why. But then I'm going to go in with Mocha. This one did come off patchy, but it's purely because I didn't set my base, but you know, it's worth it in the end and it does blend out anyway. But I'm just taking this in my crease for some extra definition. So my camera kept cutting out, but I did cut the crease with some concealer and not set it down. But then I'm taking Creamsicle, I think is how you say it. And this is a stunning, like, burnt orange shade. It is so beautiful, and I'm packing this all over my lid. I just think it looks so stunning. Then I am going to take a little bit of Mocha just on a fluffy brush and just add this to the outer corner just to kind of break it up a little bit and give it a softer look. Then I just went in with my NYX glitter liner. I love doing this. I think it makes a look, like, it really just finishes things off. I know this isn't part of the palette, but this is what I would normally do with a look like this. And then I just took some black liquid eyeliner. This one is the black eyeliner pen from BH Cosmetics. This is completely out of focus, so I apologize, but I did go back in with Pukey or Pucky, whatever, and just run that under my lower lash line, and I added some mascara, and that is it for this look. I really hope you enjoyed it. This is legit one of my favorites. I think this is so wearable and is perfect if you have blue or green eyes because it will really make your eye color pop. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!